How to solve TikTok zero views problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to solve TikTok zero views problem on Android phone. First, just go to settings and then apps and apps again, and just type here TikTok and you will find it. Click on it. Now all you need to do, just click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and now just try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to TikTok and then click here the storylines, and now click settings and privacy. Scroll down. Now all you need to do, just log out and log in again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.